Augmented reality using Unity 3D and Vuforia, which is a software development kit and which basically is used as image processing. So we are making this project for learning the basics of electricity in series and parallel circuits using augmented reality. So we are taking 4 different cases for the circuits. First is Ohm's law in series circuit. Second is Ohm's law in parallel circuit. Third is the Kelvin double bridge, and fourth is Wheatstone bridge. So first we will take the case of Ohm's law in series circuit. So as you can see in this circuit there are no 3D virtual components. So in augmented reality what happens is when we will place camera in front of the circuit, then the circuit will be get overlaid by 3D virtual components like resistor, batteries and cell. So as you can see, the circuit is being overlaid by the 3D virtual components like resistors, bulbs and batteries and wires. So this is augmented reality. Now we are taking the second case, parallel circuit. So in this it is also happening, image processing will be